Hello students, today I will be starting with question number 14 of exercise 5.1. Now question number 14 says, in the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angles. Now in the first part we have obtuse vertically opposite angle. Now what are vertically opposite angle? If the two lines intersect, then these and these are equal and this angle and this angle are equal, right? And obtuse means an angle which is more than 90 degree. Like here, if I draw 90 degree like this, then obtuse angle means which is more than 90 degree, means which is going beyond 90 degree. It's called obtuse angle, right? Now here, this BD line and AC line intersect each other at point O. Okay. Now here, this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. Again, these and this also vertically opposite angle. Now in which these two are vertically opposite as well as obtuse angle also. These are obtuse vertically opposite angle. Do not get confused with this line, because this line means the line originated from this point. Okay, so we will not consider this line here. Okay, so here angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite angle. So angle AOD and angle BOC are obtuse vertically opposite angles. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have adjacent complementary angle. Now adjacent means which is the angle which is beside. Okay, like here, if I draw like this, this is suppose angle 1 and this is suppose angle 2. So these two will be adjacent as this is the common vertex and this is the common arm, right? And complementary angle means the sum of two angle is 90 degree. Now here, if you see the figure, this OE line make 90 degree because this is the perpendicular line on BD. So here also it makes 90 degree and here also it makes 90 degree. So if we draw the figure here, this is BD, okay, and here OE is perpendicular on BD. So OE makes 90 degree on this side also and this side also. Now here, this is OA. So here we will have to write adjacent complementary angle. Adjacent means we will have to take two angles and complementary means the sum of two angle means 90 degree. So here if we consider these two angle as adjacent angle, why? Because this is common vertex and this is the common arm, and sum of these two angle make 90 degree, right? Because sum of these two angle makes 90 degree. So we can consider here angle AOB or BOA and AOE, which is adjacent complementary angle, because the sum of these two angle makes 90 degree and these two angles are adjacent also, as these are O is the common vertex and OA is the common arm. Okay, now coming to third part. Now in the third part we have equal supplementary angle. Now supplementary angle means sum of two angle makes 180 degree, right? Now if I draw a straight line, then it makes 180 degree because it forms a straight angle. Now this OE divides this angle into two equal half. Now here, see, this OE is the perpendicular line on BD. So this makes 90 degree and here also it makes 90 degree. Now 90, this side also it makes 90 degree and this side also it makes 90 degree. Equal means both side will be equal. Like here, if it is 90 degree, here also it will be 90 degree. So this is equal and the sum of these two angles, here also 90 degree and here also 90 degree. So sum of these two angles make 180 degree, which is supplementary angle. So it will be angle EOB and angle EOD. Okay. Now coming to fourth part. Now in the fourth part we have unequal supplementary angles. So supplementary angles, as you know, the sum of two angles makes 180 degree. But it is said that unequal supplementary angle. In the previous case, what we have done, it was equal supplementary angle, means both sides we have got 90 degree. Okay, but here we have unequal supplementary angle. Now first of all, when supplementary angle will be given, that means it will form a straight line, because straight line makes 180 degree and it is supplementary angle, right? Now see in the figure, BD is a straight line, so it makes 180 degree. Now here this angle and this angle make 180 degree. So these two, see this angle is acute angle and this angle is obtuse angle. That means it is unequal supplementary angles, right? Because sum of this angle is 180 degree. So these two angles make supplementary angles. So it is here AOB and AOD. So this is one pair of unequal supplementary angle. We have more supplementary angles. See here, AC is also a straight line, right? So in which this angle and this angle make 180 degree. So here this is unequal because this is acute angle and this is obtuse angle. So these two make 180 degree. That means sum of these two angle are, since it is 180 degree, so it is a supplementary angle. So it is angle AOD and DOC. Okay. Now this is a straight line. So this is also one angle and this is also another angle which makes 180 degree, right? So here this angle is acute angle and this angle is obtuse angle. So sum of this makes 180 degree. So this is also unequal supplementary angle. So it will be DOC and COB. Okay. Now in the last part we have adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Now adjacent means adjacent angles you already know, which have a common vertex and common arm, and that do not form a linear pair. Linear pair means it cannot make 180 degree. It cannot be a straight line. Okay. Now let us draw the figure once again. Now see in the figure, BOA and AOE are adjacent angle. Why? Because it shared the common vertex which is O and shared the common arm which is OA, and it doesn't form a linear pair also because it is not a straight line, right? So here angle AOB and angle AOE. Now see this angle AOE and EOD share the common vertex which is O and share the common arm which is OE, right? So that means AOE and EOD are adjacent angle, and since and they do not form a linear pair because it is not forming a straight line, right? So it will be AOE and EOD. Okay. Now next. Now this angle and this angle are also adjacent. Why? Because they share the common vertex O and common arm which is OD, right? And they do not form a linear pair also, as this is not a straight line. So this angle EOD and EOC, EOD and DOC or COD, okay, form an adjacent angle which is not a linear pair. Okay, so these are the three pair of adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. So this was the last part of question number 14. And with this, I have completed the whole exercise. If you have any doubt, any queries, leave a comment below. Okay, thank you students.